Hi there, and welcome to our video on the Nightjet train from Paris to Vienna. It seems the romance of overnight European train journeys is back. We decided to go a little bit early to check out some of the other trains on the tracks. We departed from Gare de l'Est at 8 p.m. and arrived into Vienna Main at about 10:30 a.m. the following morning. Sasha and our daughter Summer shared a double sleeper compartment without a bathroom. Have you travelled on the Nightjet before? How was your experience? We'd love to hear about it, so please feel free to leave us a comment below. And thanks for watching. If you're enjoying this video, now might be a great time to hit the like and subscribe buttons. So this is the cabin for the night. It was pretty tight with both the big suitcases, but they managed. For security, the doors are lockable from the inside. There are shared bathrooms and toilets at the end of each carriage. The beds were super comfy. After a delicious breakfast, it was time to sit back, relax and watch the passing scenery.
Okay, how the breakfast works, they give you a menu card and you can pick 6 different things. I had salami, cheese and ham with a couple of bread rolls and a delicious coffee. For an on-board train meal, it was literally 10 out of 10. You could not ask for more. The next question is, how did I sleep? I slept probably about 8 or 9 hours solid sleep. I was surprised. I didn't think we would actually sleep that much, but I think the general rocking motion eased us into sleep. Would I do the train again? Definitely. I thought it was a great way to travel. It saves you on accommodation, and you get to travel across the country, well, across 2 countries, Germany and France, and wake up in Vienna. And the scenery's been spectacular. So for me, it's thumbs up.
Had a really good sleep last night. The bed's really comfy, but you should probably bring your own pillow.
Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, hit the like and subscribe buttons as there's much more to come.